How to save your TikTok videos without watermark. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save your TikTok videos to your photo gallery without the watermark. So if you want to download videos from your profile and save them to your gallery, go ahead and follow the simple steps. So first, open your TikTok application, log into your specific account from where you want to save your TikTok videos. Also make sure that the TikTok is updated to its latest version. Now go to your profile page by tapping on profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will see your profile page and a list of videos that you've uploaded. Now if you want to go ahead and download the video in your device, what you need to do is go ahead, tap on the three dots in the right hand side of the screen. There you will see the option of save, that is between cast and pin. Go ahead and tap on that and you will see the option of save video or save image. If this is an image, you will get the option of save image. So go ahead and tap on save and you will be able to save your video without the watermark. But if you're following the same steps for another account or you are saving your video from your profile from another account, you will get the watermark. But if you are doing so from your own account, you will not get any watermarks in your video. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.